You're looking at almost. I know. It's awesome, isn't it? But one thing you need to know, this shelf almost didn't make it to YouTube. That's why I'm calling it almost. Between the frustration, the bad cuts, the incorrect measurements, I was losing it. I stopped this project completely. And this was my very, very first project. I stopped it completely and said, listen, I'm not going to do this anymore. But after a while, I persevered and I went back to it. I really didn't get a lot of footage because the frustration was just killing me. I didn't get it any at all. From making the mistakes, the bad cuts, all that, I just stopped recording. I almost gave up. Well, actually, I did give up, but I found back a new push, and I went at it again, and I did it, and there it is, pretty as can be. So now, I'm gonna leave you to watch and see the little footage that I put together of how I made this, and you can enjoy that. In the meantime, I'm gonna hit the road. I'm gonna leave you in my room so you can watch what's going on, alright? See you later. I can trust you, right? Oh, don't break anything. Please don't break anything. And subscribe. Subscribe. I'll be back. Alright, I know I said that the next video you see will be my room reveal, but I really could not let this footage go to waste. I worked hard on it, so enjoy this montage of me cutting and screwing. Good morning. I'm on day 2 of this build. Yesterday was a day and a half. First, my phone battery died, put that to charge, and then all of a sudden, the light went. So I was without light for majority of the day from about 1 p.m. No light. Didn't come back until the wee hours of the morning. So now I'm up early back on this build again. As you can see behind me, I put in my second rack because the shelf is gonna have a little style. Yeah. So I put in my second rack yesterday, and the rest of the shelf is outside. So come with me, I'm gonna take you outside and show you the rest of the shelf. Alright guys, so this is what I did yesterday before the power went. This is the first shelf, the bottom shelf. Yes, this is the bottom shelf. Alright, so I just use some simple butt joints on this, just to put them together with some wood glue and screws. Wood glue and screws, I just put them together. Nothing fancy right now. I considered some miter joints, but those proved a little bit more technical for me right now, given that I'm a beginner in this. So there's some simple butt joints. This is the top section of the shelf. So I'm gonna get the top part on here and attach it to this side here. Alright, so I'm gonna have two different levels for the shelf. Alright guys, so I'm gonna continue to build and keep you updated. Alright guys, this is where majority of my issues lied. This is where I'm cutting the face frames for the shelves. I'm meticulously measuring and marking like a pro, and yet still didn't account for the thickness of the board at the sides, and ended up cutting these face frames short. And to add to that, the top part of the cuts were very lean. They were so lean I could not salvage them any at all, and I had limited boards on hand, so it's not like I could just say, oh, I'm gonna cut another piece. So it frustrated me to the point where I didn't even want to take a picture and much less video the rest of this. It was driving me insane. I did try to salvage them by trying to run the plane over it and maybe smooth out the edge, and so it could look a little bit better even though they were short. But I said, alright, I'm gonna just try and put them on and see if I can live with it. But boy oh boy, it didn't help at all. I ended up chipping up the boards even more, maybe because I was so frustrated. But enjoy this montage of me fixing the face frames. I ended up knocking them off though.
like you. Ooh, girl, you're so hot like summer. Girl, you're so hot like summer. No one can do it like you. Ooh.
Alright, calm down. Your prince is here. Your prince is here. Don't worry, I'm back. So, I'm real proud of you, I must say. My room is in one piece. Nothing's broken. Ah, I never doubted you for a second. So, I really hope you enjoyed that video. I put a lot of effort into it because the video footage that I had was really bad. So I put together the best way I could. So guys, just smash that like button, share and subscribe. Share it with everybody you know, your auntie, your uncle, your brother, your sister, everybody, man. Share it, man. Just share it to the world as I continue to turn my home into a palace on royalescapes. Bye.